Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another mouth-watering recipe, and today we are going to be making a Chinese cuisine. I'm going to be showing you how to make Chinese fried rice. This Chinese fried rice is a popular dish and it can be enjoyed either on its own or with a meat or a chicken side dish. The full ingredients for this recipe will be in the description box below. Some of the ingredients displayed are rice, chopped carrots, chopped onions, green peas, egg whites, and spring onions. I'm going to start by heating up my pots. Then I'm going to add cooking butter and allow the butter to melt. This Chinese fried rice cooks with heat and everything goes in almost at the same time, which means it's really fast. After the butter is melting, add chopped onions and garlic and ginger and allow to cook for a bit till it almost turns white, and this will help to release the flavor. I'm just going to push my onions to one side and then I'm going to fry my egg whites. I'm using 2 eggs for this video, but you can use more. I'm frying just the egg whites. After frying my egg whites, I'm going to take it out and continue cooking. Now it's time for the sauces. I started with oyster sauce, then I'm going to go in with my soy sauce. I use light soy sauce for this, and at this point you're going to add sesame oil. But at the time of shooting this video, I was actually out of sesame oil, so I skipped that. Then you're going to throw in your carrots and allow to cook for a bit. So right now I'm going to be mixing my egg yolk with my rice. So I'm doing this basically to give it color and to make it more eggy, if there's something like that, but you get the point. So it's time to bring back the fried eggs that were cooked. Then I'm going to add chili flakes and salt. But note, I'm actually going to advise you to add salt at the end after you've put your rice, because soy sauce and oyster sauce and all those Chinese sauces are actually salty. So if you don't know the quantity to put, you might put too much. So after you've added your rice and the rice has blended with the sauce, then I think that's the right time for you to add your salts. But if you can do this method, fine. But if you're not sure of the amount of salt to add, just wait till the end after you've added your rice and mixed everything up. Then you can add your salt. After mixing up together, I added my spring onions and green peas and a little bit of soy sauce because I wanted it to get dark a bit, and I added butter to give it that last final shine. And my Chinese fried rice is ready. This fried rice is yummy and delicious. So this is my end product, my Chinese fried rice, and this fried rice was actually very delicious. It's yummy and it's so beautiful. I'm going to be pairing my fried rice with orange chicken. If you haven't seen my video on how to make orange chicken, I'll be sure to link it right up there So please check it out and enjoy this combo. Thanks for watching this video. Kindly like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.